Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the update to the project pen, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. So first of all, don't mind my redness in here, I just scratched myself a bit and it's very red. I didn't film this look, but I will list down below everything that I have on, because I did the custom palette for February and it is very pink. I just picked up other palettes that are pink and I'm wearing the Huda Beauty Mercury palette right now and I just love the look very much. So let's start talking about the project pen. I'm gonna start with things that are not very interesting and ending with the product that I finished, because I did finish one product. So the first thing is my blush, and I will pop some pictures. So I have the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in Summer Breeze and it looks something like this. It's a orangey blush. As you saw, I have these post notes in here and I'm counting in here the number of uses. I used this blush in January 10 times and that's just perfect. That means that this blush will stay in the project for 3 months if I'm being consistent. And yeah, so the goal for this one is 30 uses, and that way I could rotate through my blushes, and I think that's great. So 10 uses for this one. I don't think you can see from the photos a big difference, but I'm very happy with the 10 uses. Then let's move into the primer. This one is the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, and I'm gonna pop again the photos, and I'm happy with the progress. I was at the second R in January and now I'm the first one from Rare. So of course this one is a mini, but I think I could finish it in 3 or 4 more months, which is great. The next product is the Stay Naked foundation by Urban Decay. I do love this foundation. It was in my favorites in 2021 and I did use a lot of this. I was around A from Naked and I'm right here, so I'm gonna put again the photos. I think I did very well. And I did test 3 more foundations in this month. So really, I think I could finish this one in 2 months maximum. And that will be great. And I'm very happy that it's very easy to see where I'm at. And yeah, so I think 2 more months and this will be finished. And yeah, I do love this foundation. I did try to use the other ones just to have an opinion and to test them out. But I'm very happy to go through this one and then let's talk about the NYX Born to Glow concealer, and this is one of my favorite concealers, so it's great to have it in the project pen. I don't know how much I have in here because it's not very easy to track down, but I really need to squish the package very well to get some product, so maybe 1 more month or 2 more months this should be done. Let's talk about some powders. This is the NYX HD finishing powder and this is in the shade Banana. This will be done in the next month. And this is again a mini, but I really like this powder and the color is great and everything. And I did use this a lot and it's almost done. So this will be done in the next update. I'm very excited about that. But we have in the project pen the NYX High Glass as well. I think this will take a bit more that I was thinking in January. So I think for this one maybe 4 months. I don't know. I did do a great progress on it in this month. You are gonna see in the pictures. Next we have the MAC lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy and is the matte formula and it looks something like this. I did try to photograph this on the paper and see the progress, but it's very hard. I think I did a small progress this month, but it's very easy to mark down the product, but then I need to photograph it. But it's a bit hard to photograph lipsticks because I could photograph it from a lot of angles and it will look different. So I tried my best, but I think I did a small progress. So I hope I'm gonna finish this in about 4 or 5 months. I will see, but I hope I could finish it soon. And now let's move into some interesting stuff. I said in the beginning that I finished just 1 product, but I actually finished 2, but 1 will be replaced by other product and 1 that I finished is already replaced. If you remember, I did put 2 highlighters in the project pen in the beginning because I was sure that this Becca highlighter will be done very fast, so I wanted to have other highlighter in the project. But actually I did finish this product, but it took me so long. I did use it every time I did my makeup this month, except maybe today when I'm wearing the Ofra highlighter, and one other time I think. It was so hard to go through and I had just a tiny bit left. I will put a photo with this highlighter in the beginning of January and how it looks finished. But right now we are having in here the Milk Makeup bronzer stick. So this is a mini, but it has a lot of product in here. As you can see, it's almost full. And I do like this type of packaging better because I could put just my brush in here or my sponge and just apply it. And it's a lot easier, but I have a lot of product in here and I'm very happy about that because I really love this bronzer. So I will enjoy it till the end. And about the other highlighter, this is the Wet n Wild Blossom Gloom highlighter and it looks something like this. I already have a giant pen in it, but if I could finish this until the end of the year, that will be great, but I'm sure that this will be a hard task to do, but I'm excited. I do love that Wet n Wild highlighter. It was in my favorites in 2021, even though it's a very old product. And now let's talk about the finished product, and that is the brow pencil from e.l.f. This is finished. I can't twist it anymore. I'm very glad that I finished this pencil because it's not my favorite. It's too waxy. I don't like it that much and I had it for a long time. So it is finished. I'm very happy and it's ready to be replaced. And I'm gonna replace it with two pencils because they are so tiny and I'm gonna use them together because I use always black pencil on the upper waterline and then I use a colorful pencil on the bottom waterline, and this one is a purple. So in the month of February this will be very used together with this kind of colors, pinkish purpley shades, and I have it on my waterline today. And I do love these pencils, but I want to finish them up. But I'm putting them in the project because I really want to focus on them, and I hope these will be done very fast. So these were all the products for this month. I'm very excited with the progress. I think I chose the product really well for me because I already finished one product. Next month I will finish the NYX powder for sure, and in the next month, in April, I could finish maybe the foundation or maybe the primer, and then so on and so forth. So I think if I'm finishing one product or if I'm having a great progress on a lot of products, I will be always motivated, and I'm already searching in my collection for new products to add to the project pen in the future. So yeah, I'm very excited and very curious to see at the end of the year how many products I did finish up. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.